Today, we will investigate the issues on your computer, whether they occur during gaming or while performing work-related tasks. First, locate the Windows Start button at the bottom left corner of your screen. Right-click on it to open the Quick Links menu, then select Event Viewer. Within the Event Viewer, expand the Windows Log section and click on System. After selecting the System log, the Event Viewer will display two main sections. 1. System pane at the top. 2. Event pane at the bottom. Let's proceed to the System log, which records system-wide events, including errors, warnings, and information. This will help us identify the root cause of the issues you're facing. In the System pane, 5 essential columns provide valuable information. 1. Level, event severity, error, warning, information. 2. Date and time, event timestamp. 3. Source, event source, application or system component. 4. Event ID, unique event identifier. 5. Task category, event classification. To find critical system problems, look for events with a red or yellow level indicator. Red signals a serious system failure that needs immediate attention. Yellow signals a potential issue that may cause problems later. In the event pane, locate the error message and note the corresponding event ID displayed below. Select the entire text by highlighting it, then press Ctrl+C to copy. To find solutions to your problem, navigate to your preferred web browser and paste the error message. It's likely that numerous individuals have experienced the identical error message you're seeing. You can tap into the collective knowledge and find a proven fix. We hope our diagnostic guide got you closer to a solution. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more helpful guides and tutorials in the future.